That's what she
Or
does.
does she have a court order?
She doesn't have to have a court order.
Yes, she
It's an
does.
open-
I know you think that, but you know what? You don't know the law.
I do know the law.
They cannot take my kids.
It's the welfare of the kids, period. It has nothing to do with the parents.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
Just gotta
it
say that
does.
They're safe.
That's a lie.
A piece of paper.
You don't know the law. I do, and they can't take my kids. In a heated standoff in Elkins, West Virginia, a citizen firmly stands his ground as CPS agents and police attempt entry without a court order. Is the Constitution still supreme when Child Protective Services knock at your door? This is a case where rights, family, and state power collide. You're watching ID Refusal Rights. Special thanks to the original footage from Nate Argent. Follow their channel for more.
Nathan? She just needs to make sure all this stuff is in place.
Does she have a court order?
Basically, because there is an open case, an open investigation, the kids are still kind of under their
That
care.
has nothing to do with me.
Sir,
It doesn't have anything to do with us. If it does, show paper.
Sir.
She could go across the street.
she just needs to check the kids, where the kids are living. That
No,
kind of
she
stuff.
doesn't.
Yes, that she does. That's what she does.
Or does she have a court order?
She doesn't have to have a court order.
Yes, she
It's
does.
an open investigation for
Come into my house. She's an employee of the state. She's a government
It
representative.
didn't work like the police. They have a lot more rights than what we do.
Though they don't have more rights than the Constitution
Hey,
gives me.
they're gonna end
It
up
has
taking-
nothing to do with
listen,
me.
hang on, listen to me for a second.
Go
It has
ask
nothing
Sheila
to
why
do
she
with
did
me.
it.
For a second. They're going to end up taking the kids. You don't want that.
It has
Just
nothing to
all-
do
all
with
you
me.
got to do is cooperate with them. That's all.
I'm not going to.
Go ask Gail what's going on.
I'm not going to because it has nothing to do with me.
But it does the kids.
It has nothing to do with me and the kids. It has to do with her and the kids and her being
Regardless
neglectful.
her-
I don't care.
Regardless of
Have her get a
situation,
court order and then she could come in. Okay?
She just
Have her
has
get
to
it signed by the judge and she can come in. All right?
They're going to end up taking the kids.
Oh, I know you think that, but you know what? You don't know the law.
I do know the law.
As much as you think you know the law, they can't take my kids.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't. I'm not under
It
investigation.
has nothing to do with you being under investigation.
Oh yeah, just because my ex-wife is under investigation, they cannot take my
It's
kids.
the welfare of the kids, period. It has nothing to do with the parents.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
Just gotta
it
say that
does.
They're safe.
Show
That's a
us
lie.
A piece of paper.
If she really wanted to come in here, she would get a order signed by the judge. Now, right now, I'm being harassed.
A CPS worker attempts to enter private property without a signed court order, citing an open investigation involving the resident's ex-wife. The homeowner firmly asserts his Fourth Amendment right protecting against unreasonable searches. The officer insists child welfare overrides consent, but the man correctly challenges that no exigent circumstance exists. There's no immediate danger, no warrant, no probable cause. The cop falsely claims CPS has more rights, which directly contradicts constitutional limits. This is a textbook case of state overreach and misinformation. The man remains calm, refusing entry until judicial authority is shown.
You're
I
not
feel-
being harassed.
Yes, because every day I have to deal with Elkins PD because of her, because my ex-wife.
Maybe you should remove yourself from the situation and make it better.
I did. She's not living here anymore. So it has nothing to do with me.
Okay.
And last time she was here, I was threatened with arrest because I took him to Taco Bell, which is bullshit.
The homeowner raises a direct harassment claim, describing repeated visits from local police triggered by his ex-wife's ongoing CPS case. His frustration reflects a legitimate concern under the Fourth Amendment, which restricts government intrusion and protects citizens from unreasonable interference. The officer's suggestion that he should remove himself from the situation avoids addressing whether police presence is legally justified. Without a criminal allegation, warrant, or articulated probable cause,
ongoing contact may constitute unnecessary state pressure. The man asserts his rights clearly, emphasizing that the subject of investigation no longer lives there, making continued police involvement questionable and potentially excessive.
Nate, shut the door. Door. Okay, I'm gonna turn the damn lights so she can't help herself. You want these lights? You want them? Do you want them? Okay. All down. Woo! Yep. Guess you'd rather do that noise, huh? Rather do that noise? All lights go bye-bye then. All lights go bye-bye because you can't make that noise. That's enough. 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 Ugh.
I can't hear you.
Regardless, I still have to check health and safety. I need to see that image tracker is on him, that the alarms are here, and that there's still the cameras to keep
Or
him safe.
what?
Well, there's an open protective services case, and the children are listed as the victims, so I will file the 30-day, and then we will be in front of a judge. So it's your
Okay,
choice.
we'll go in front of the judge.
Okay, I'll see you
Because,
at court.
all right.
Thank you.
If it's not allowed to have any tablet, he won't stop making a noise.
This case highlights the growing need for education on ID refusal, especially when CPS and police invoke vague authority. Constitutional rights are not optional. They are absolute unless suspended by due process. Always record, never consent without a court order, and stand firm. If you're passionate about defending civil liberties, subscribe to ID Refusal Rights. And special thanks to the original channel for documenting this encounter. Consider following them to support transparency.